If you're facing a problem where your Mac doesn't stop overheating, then this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. Simply press Command and Space both at the same time to open Spotlight Search, and simply go ahead and search for Activity Monitor. Just like that, and click on open. Once you've done that, it is going to simply go ahead and show you a list of all the activities that are currently running in your laptop, just like that. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click and simply go ahead and force close the app intensive or your system intensive application. If that is not the case, then it could be because of a bad ventilation. If you have placed your MacBook on a blanket or something like that, then you could definitely be facing that problem, because generally the MacBook has the ventilation right over here in the back. So if that is the case, then you might need to go ahead and move your Mac to a flat surface like a desk. If that is not the case, you might need to also go ahead and use compressed air to clean out dust from the vents and fan areas to allow proper airflow. But if that is not the case, then you might need to go ahead and take it to your nearest Apple store. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.